Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Peugeot 308. So from any screen on the phone, we just click here and we make sure, basically go into settings, into Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth switched on. We're watching out at the bottom. We go to telephone here. Search for devices. It's still searching over there. Almost there. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, and as I say, Peugeot's there. It's still thinking about it over here. I'll click on Peugeot again. Right, it's asking for a pin. I'm going to put 4 noughts in, click pair. So we now have to click the 4 noughts here and then click confirm. Barry's iPhone, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Peugeot connected. That's it, that's how you pair a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system. Once your phone is paired to the system, if we go to your music, it will play any audio from your phone so long as it's set up right. So there we go. I'll just turn that down, it's playing. If you look at the bottom there, you've got 2 choices, iPhone and Peugeot. That shows that whatever audio is playing on here, if you have that set right, it will play through this system. So tick next to there, we'll go back there, it's playing over to the system, and you'll see there the music note. Click on the music note. That's showing the radio at the moment, but and it's also showing their source, DAB radio. It's a bit confusing. When you first look at it, you don't really know what to do, but if you click there on the source, it then gives you the options to change it to FM radio, AM radio, or Bluetooth, which is what we want. That's it. That's what's going to be playing now. If I turn this up and then turn it up here. So that's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Peugeot 308. So from any screen, if we go to the sat-nav, which is this, the little arrow in the circle here, or compass as it is, goes onto the screen, doesn't really show you a whole lot there. If you press the checkered flag at the top left and then enter destination, that's showing previous addresses, but we need to click address, and now onto where it says city, and I'm going to put the postcode in. So our postcode is, well, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston P R. It's defaulted to numbers 5 4 E A. Sometimes, there you go, I just need to confirm it. Sometimes if it's got 3 digits in your postcode, or if it's only got, sometimes if it's only got 2 digits in your postcode, you'll have to put the first digit, then a space, and then the second digit. But that's it. So it's got our address in there. All I have to do now is click navigate to, confirm fastest route, confirm that I'm not going to be distracted by
if possible, do a U-turn.
Navigation system. That's it. That's how you set the sat-nav. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Peugeot 308. If we go to the telephone there, and no telephone connected, there's nothing else on the screen really. Search for devices, it's showing my iPhone disconnected, and over here you'll see there confirm, search, connect, and delete. So we click delete. That's the one I wanted to delete, by the way. If it wasn't and there was a list, you would just have to highlight the one you deleted, want to delete, and then click that. That's it. That's how you delete a mobile. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.